Hello everyone. Throughout today, I will be posting questions related to JSS3 curriculum. And we have our first question here, which reads, if W equal to x divided by 2y and 4w plus 3y equals 30, then what is the value of x when y equal to 4? Let's get started. I want you to start from the first equation because that is the equation that contains x. Remember, we are looking for x. So give it a name. You can call this equation number 1 and call this equation number 2. So from equation 1, I would like to make x the subject. Remember that 2y is dividing here, and the inverse of division is multiplication. And once you take 2y to the other side, it will surely multiply. So from equation number 1, x will definitely be equal to 2yw. As 2y multiply w, you have 2yw. Remember, arrangement doesn't matter. You may decide to bring w before y. It depends on how you want it. But we have seen that y is equal to 4, right? So we can plug in y here. X will now be equal to 2 multiplied by y, which is 4, multiplied by w. 2 times 4 is 8, therefore x is equal to 8w. The only thing we need to find in order to obtain the value of x is w. And you can see w right in the second equation. So let us move to the second equation and find the value of w, then we come back here. So from second equation, we have 4w plus 3y equals 30. Let me write it here. 4w plus 3y, but remember y is 4 and this is equal to 30. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, so you have 4w is plus 12 equals 30. Let me apply the idea of two-step equations where you can mentally think of the solution. We have number 12 plus something equals 30. Therefore, that something must be 18. Therefore, we say that 4w is equal to 18. Then to find w, because I don't think, can we multiply 4 by any number to get 18? No. So w is equal to 18 divided by 4. And to the lowest term, this is the same thing as 9 divided by 2. So we have 9 divided by 2 as the value of w. Then you can bring it back here, which implies that x is equal to 8 times w, 8 multiplied by 9 divided by 2. 2 can divide 8 exactly 4 times, and 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. Therefore, x equals 36. As simple as that. So this is our first problem. Stay tuned for the next one.